Hello, this is a review of the DeLonghi Magnifica coffee maker, which we purchased about 3 months ago. Excellent results so far. Very nice coffee, and particularly the cappuccino. So well worth a visit. Only just one or two small design flaws I think that might be worth noting. You will need to purchase yourself a small jug, because if you look here, the actual spout for frothing the milk and where the water comes from, it's quite narrow, the angle around the side, and it's quite short. So you will need to be able to buy a small milk or water jug for it. Also, the only other complaint I would make would be the size of the actual water container. The water container doesn't hold huge volumes, as you can see from the picture. Apart from that, not used coffee beans, so not used the grinding function yet to grind the beans down. Only used pre-ground coffee, but so far so good, making good results. Thank you for listening to my review.
Half more water and on. Just water. Not working. I can't make anything. Half voice.
So this is the DeLonghi Magnifica. You've probably seen lots of reviews on these on YouTube if you're seriously considering buying one. I'm not going to cover its functions, but what you don't normally see on YouTube is how you empty it, and it's quite simple. You open up the cartridge, which you can see here, and there's all your spent coffee. Pretty much a week's worth for us, to be honest. Empty that in the bin, pour out the water from the drip tray, job done.